Hello everyone, welcome to Sansito Global. Let's see market analysis for yesterday, what happened, and today what we can expect. We'll be seeing in all the different markets. Now we are seeing Nifty 50 chart. Yesterday there was a small gap up, so the gap up was covered during first 15 minutes of the day, and the market is above our magnetic field. As long as it's touching the lifeline, we call it like sideways market. Yesterday the market didn't give much, and the maximum movement was only between 100 points ups and down, so it was completely accumulation day. Today we are expecting the market to open little gap down at this level. It depends on what was the volume pumped in the evening. Okay, so this is our magnetic field. As long as the market is below the magnetic field, we can trade only on the put side. If the market is above the magnetic field, these are our levels, we can trade on the call side. 23,770 is the first target on call side. 23,648 is the first target on the put side. Let's go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, there was a good gap up yesterday, so the gap up was almost around 300 points. The only half the gap is filled. There will be still little more to be filled yet. Today also we are expecting flat opening or little gap down. If it's gap down, our first target will be 50,193, and second target will be around 50,000, and third target will be around 49,000. If the market have already good buyers, then the market will try to sustain the levels. So here we have big sellers are waiting to sell their positions, and we have big buyers are trying to accumulate once again. So today we are expecting a bearish momentum. In case if market moves against us in the call side, we can expect the market achieve 50,500 level. This is a psychological level, so that we have to be careful and sizing our positions accordingly. Next we'll see gold. Gold hit all-time high yesterday. Gold moved nearly $50 in one day. As soon as it come out of our magnetic field, there was a continuous upside momentum on the gold. We don't plan for any sell side positions, only everything on a buy side. Today the market seems to be little flat, but we are expecting still there is more buyers towards the gold. If the buyers are aggressive, they will try to hunt the stop losses, which is big seller zone. Then 2886 will be the first target, 2896 will be the second target. If the market stuck in sideways, it will jump only in between these zones, so try not to capture big points. When the market comes down below the magnetic field, retest again, and if we are expecting a fall, it can fall till 2832 as of today. When we go to BTC, BTC was a flat day yesterday. It was completely a range bound market, so the magnetic field is here. As per our Sansito community rules, when any symbol or strike in between the magnetic field, we do only scalping. We don't capture big profits. This is day before yesterday, and yesterday also there was small movement we can see in the BTC, but it's not very much. But when we can see today, the market still trading within the magnetic field, as you can see. But when you can plan for buy side entries, as soon as it's break out of the magnetic field, come back, retest, then it will be hitting $100,000 as target. So these are the upcoming targets. If the market is same sustaining, there are more seller pressures. If the market is falling, it has to cross this magnetic zone, which is 96,958. It has to come here, take on support, and if the support is broken, the next targets are 94,000 we can expect in these two. So the magnetic field is like is our zone, so we need to plan our trading based on the zones. Next we'll see USDJPY. Yesterday it was a good day because it was completely falling. As this magnetic field will be knowing it beginning of the market opening. Okay, so below the magnetic field our thumb rule is only to keep a selling, and where are the places it can get buying. It has to go above the lifeline, but the lifeline is rejected here, again rejected, again tried a fake out, rejected, again tried a fake out, again rejected. So we are expecting a small buy side towards 152 and 152.82. If the sellers are again pushing the market, this can fall all the way to 150.707. In order to go the market up, it has to break the magnetic field, then it has to retest, then the next targets are 153 and 154, 153.9, 154.7. next GBPUSDT. There was a good movement yesterday after the news. People who are monitoring the news, they'll be knowing this. There was a good support taken on the magnetic field once again, and the market have moved nearly 0.66%. Today we are expecting very good volatile moment in GBPUSDT. So as long as the market's below this magnetic field, we can look for our targets. So this is target 1, which is 1.24, then 1.24, 248, 246 and 244. But it's completely depend on the buying selling volumes. If the selling volume is lesser, if market try to push the market, like buyers are trying to push the market upwards, it can retrace back and go in between these zones. So we have to plan our trades between this big seller zone and buyer zone, which side you are in. If you are capturing a trade here, you have to buy, you have to only buy, and if you're selling, you have to only sell at this level. So we'll try to book a bigger profits. Next one, EURUSDT, most of the people favorite pair. As planned yesterday, as soon as it's taken the support, it have moved aggressively towards the resistance zone, which is the seller zone. Yesterday EURUSD given almost 0.4% in maybe half a day. We are analyzing all these on 15 minutes time frame. Nifty and Bank Nifty only 5 minutes time frame. All our remaining analysis will remains on 15 minutes time frame. As soon as the market have reached this seller zone, it's tried to buyers are tried to push the market, but the sellers didn't allow, so it was consolidated for now and started selling. Again, as we mentioned, this is the magnetic field today. As long as the market is below the magnetic field, we can hold on to our position, and this will be our first target when it comes to selling, and this will be our second target, this will be our third target. But it's completely depends on the market selling volume. If the selling volume is lesser, if market is taking a U-turn, it has to go above the magnetic field, retest the magnetic field, then the first target on the buying side will be 1.042, then 1.043 and 44 and 45. It goes like this. That's all for today. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.